Well, here at CR Machine, I have a pretty nice collection of antique machine tools, and I use them. You know, kind of like the way things were done, like 50 to 100 years ago. I still do it that way here. Oh yeah, it's pretty interesting, but quite a few of my machines are actually really quite nice examples. This one is one of them. The finish is a little worn, but the slides and the bronze plaque here, and a lot of the things aren't in bad shape, actually. A lot of times machines that end up in machine shops with various employees, they smash things with hammers, and even like little screws are all going to be buggered up. All this stuff on my machine, it's in pretty nice shape. Anyway, right now I'm making another Model T part. These are special quarter 20 nuts that are for the speedometer drive assembly that uses a 3/4 inch hex. So it's an unusual part, and so I'm making it. And I guess what I'll do for this first one, I won't use the coolant, because the coolant, cutting oil, just can't see a thing. Here's the first. Oh, that doesn't work. I'm trying to develop something to catch the part. Well, I'll have to remove that. First turret station is a stock stop. And a lot of the tooling I make myself. This is a pneumatic bar feed. So you open the collet, and the bar comes out. This tool plunges in and knocks off the hex and chamfers both sides of the part. Okay. Now we use the turret and the cross slide to cut the part at the same time. That's called combined cuts. And the parting tool parts the part off. There it is. There. Antique machine tool in action. And out here, this is a Wade 94. Bronze. Yeah. How they used to do things in the old days. Everyone was in competition, seeing who could make things better. Nowadays, it's a competition. It's a competition of who can make things cheaper and who can market it the best, fooling everybody. Here's the. It's hard to see. There's the gearbox. It's a special variator drive. So if I'm running the machine, I can hit zoom out. Okay, I'm at slower, faster. So if you watch here, I'm going to hit slower. You can see that. See that? It's all bronze, of course. Yeah. So yeah. See, I mean, I've got an awesome machine here. Slow, brake, reverse. Yeah. And my hard-hinge automatic screw machine, single spindle automatic screw machine, cams, gears, micro switches, hydraulics, and pneumatics. That's what runs this thing. Park, chute, all automatic. Feed is controlled by these flow valves, adjustable, so it controls the hydraulics. Oh yeah. And here's another wonderful antique machine, a Rathbone chucker, set up with a 5C collet. And this is an 8-position turret. And there's the control. This is a great machine. Operates on a DC motor. Yeah. DC motor. Okay. I thought some of you would think that this is cool. Oh, look at this. This is kind of interesting too. Here are the ways. These are the ways. It's kind of cool because all the chips fall and it doesn't really, it's easy to clean off, so it stays really nice and clean. This Rathbone, it's a nice machine. I like it a lot. I do a lot of work with this machine. Small jobs, prototype jobs, little parts. Yep. Alright. Till next time. Enjoy. Okay. Here is the second operation for this special nut. That's for the Model T speedometer assembly. Here's my tapping machine. Another, rescued machine that was certainly going to be thrown away, but I rescued it, and I'm going to use it occasionally. So this side of the part was chamfered when it was on the lathe, but the back side where the parting tool went did not get chamfered, so that end will be up, and when the tap finishes tapping and reverses, this spring-loaded tool right here, called a burr bit, will cut it. Okay? This is a pneumatic controlled. Now this tool here holds the part down and prevents it from lifting out of the fixture. Simple little tool. Yeah, this is a snow tapping machine. Who knows how old it is? It's probably a 40-50-year-old machine. A little rough, but this was from the days when American manufacturing was the absolute best. Anyway, there's the idea. The system works really great. Good production tapping machine. All right. Till next time, enjoy.